Hey guys, so now I'm walking to Queen Street. You can see the Harborside building behind me, and this area has been actually done quite nicely. So a lot of cafes now. The Intercontinental is there. That was never like this before when I grew up here. This was actually a street. So they've done a nice job of the place, of this area anyway. And this is a new mall. It used to be a mall here, but it looks like it's been upgraded, and it looks a bit like parts of Europe now. So I'm quite impressed, if I'm being honest. And just in front is actually Queen Street. So this is the heart of the city, Auckland City. So yep, I recommend you guys doing this. Now we're in July, middle of winter, but it's not that cold for some reason this year. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and check the edited shop. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, so now I am coming to Custom Street. So this will be the corner of Custom Street and Queen Street. Let me show ya. You got a lot of tourists. The fog is disappearing now because the sun is coming up. So on the way back we should have a pretty cool view of the harbour bridge in the city. So that'll be cool. So this is the heart of Auckland City, Queen Street. Definitely need to come here and check it out. Like I said, if you can, try not to drive here because parking will be expensive or a pain. It shouldn't be a pain actually, it'd be plenty of parking, but you should be able to get a parking. Sorry, I'm just gonna be distracted. Be able to get a parking, but it'll be expensive. You know what I'm saying? It'll be expensive. So yeah guys, if you like shopping, you got all the branded. There's Dior, Prada, Bulgari. I saw Louis on the other side just now, Van Cleef. Watch Keep. What else is there? Also buses and stuff. So public transport in the city is good. Outside of the city, do not recommend it. Probably do rent a car will probably be your best option, your best bet, because just taking taxis and stuff, taking taxis and stuff will just kill you. So yeah, they have got Uber here, but yeah, it's probably better just to rent a car and explore that way, like park somewhere and just come here. Some people say it's a little bit dangerous at night now in Queen Street, but I don't think so. I think they'll be fine. They're just not used to seeing, you know, homeless people and stuff, and they feel like it's like a stage, but nothing like a stage, like a state, Auckland State. So, but I mean, you have to be careful wherever you go, but just do come here and be cautious, but enjoy yourself at the same time. Do not hold back from doing stuff just because. So, yeah, I hope you guys are liking what you're seeing. And should be subscribed by now. I got so many reviews, probably on my 100. for 102 videos. So I hope I'm doing a good enough job for you guys to click that subscribe button and do a like. So that would be cool. So this